Hello traders, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. If you have ever felt lost trying to make consistent profit with binary option, you're in the right place. On this channel, I share the best strategies, smart trading tips and real insights that help traders like you become profitable just like how I did. So in today's video, we're diving into something very few traders talk about but that can seriously transform your result. That is how to take trades with marginal safety. This powerful approach helps to reduce risks, time your entries better, and make smarter decision in volatile market. So stay with me until the very end because what I'm about to reveal could completely elevate your trading game. I've already chosen my multiple currency pair, and in this particular currency pair the market is very bullish. This current green candle is a healthy green candle, so I'm looking to take a call entry trade after this candle. The timer here setting is 1 minute default. That means we are taking trade on a particular candle, not 1 minute time frame. Okay, the timer here is based on the current candle. So here there are two types where you can place your entry, one at the opening of the candle and second one is this one which I just did, that is called marginal safety entry. That means whenever we are going for a call entry trade, we will wait for the candle to come down and place our trades like so, just like how I did. Okay, so you can place your trade in two types. The first type is directly at the opening of the candle, and the second type is you have to wait for the candle to come down, okay, and then place your call entry trade, just like how I did in the second time, right? So this is basically known as marginal safety entry. So what it does, even if the candle becomes a small red candle or a small green candle, because of you have placed your marginal safety entry, there's a high chances of your trade to go a winning trade. Let's see if this current green candle comes down to the 50% area of the previous green candle so that I can place my marginal safety entry. I could have placed the trade directly at the opening of the candle since the market is very bullish, but I want you to understand it all. Okay, so here I will explain you why I'm telling you so. You see the overall structure of the market, it is bullish, making higher highs, right? Higher highs and higher lows. So after the green candle confirmation, I placed my trade at the opening of the candle first, and then when the candle comes down, I placed my marginal safety entry. Since I'm looking for call entry trade, my marginal safety would definitely be when the candle comes down. That will give me a buffer zone. What I mean by that is, okay, here if you see, okay, now this is called the perfect marginal safety entry. Why? Because if you see the previous swing high, let me grab a rectangular box and I'll pinpoint exactly. Okay, I want you to learn why I've taken this trade here, right? So if you see the previous green candle, the previous green candle is very healthy. It is a tailless green candle and it touched the previous weak resistance zone and closed as a green candle, a strong green candle, right? So I waited for the current candle to come down around the 50% area of the previous green candle and placed my marginal safety entry. So this would give a buffer zone. What I mean by that is, even if the current running candle closes as a red one, a small red one, this would still be my winning trade. So now the target of the market is fulfilled. We can no longer take call entry trade here. We have to wait, or we cannot even take reversal trade because the candle forming is very healthy, right? So let's go and find better opportunity. Let's change our chart here. Okay, now the market is making good red candles, healthy red candles. So let's see if I can place my marginal safety put entry trade here. Let's place our reversal points here. This will also act as a very strong support, right? So if the current red candle doesn't touch our support area, I will be looking for a put entry trade from the 50% area of the previous red candle. Okay, that would be my marginal safety entry. Let's see the closing of this candle. If the current red candle touches our support, we will not take any trades because there is no space left. Okay, the next candle can go anywhere. So let's change our chart. This is how you should exactly take trade in binary option. You have to look for the better opportunity. There are numbers of chart and you have to filter that out one by one and look for good and clear setup. Okay, so let's see. Okay, there are, okay, the major trend is downtrend, right? And now if you see, there are a lot of green candles forming. The market looks bullish currently, but still, if you see the major trend, the major trend is bearish. So now what we can do, we can look for reversal trade. So we need a confirmation that market is going to go down, the market is reversing, right? So let's see how this candle reacts. I've also made a separate video on candlestick reaction. So let's see. Okay, that was a quick reaction, right? The last 5-second reaction is very important. So even though the major trend is downtrend, based on the current situation of the market, the green, right, I'm going to take my call option trade from here as a marginal safety. Now what it does, you see, this two red candle completely fulfill the previous green candle, that is our target of the market. I have made a separate video on that too. So I have placed my marginal safety based on that formula. Okay, fulfill last candle. Now you see, even if this candle becomes a red one, because of my marginal safety entry, this is still going to be a winning trade. Because of my default timer, I am taking trade on a particular candle, right? And I have placed my marginal safety call entry trade. So this is a very smart way that you can take trade in binary option. You see, even if the candle is red, I'm still a winner. Now what the candle did, you see, candle made a gap down. So our gap up and gap down trading method, I have made a video on that too. If the candle goes up somewhere around here, fulfill it, we can take a downward direction trade, but we just have 30-second time here. Okay, so if it doesn't, then we have to leave it. Okay, so okay, we'll find a better opportunity. Nevertheless, there was a very little space here and the current situation is also bullish. So let's see for the better opportunity. So here in this particular currency pair, market made a new low. That means I have to look for only put entry trade, but I'm going to do my marginal safety entry. Okay, so let's see the reaction of the current candle. Okay, even if this candle becomes a green one, I'm still going to go for a put entry. Okay, because here there is a change of character, that is also known as market structure shift. Market was making higher high, but now currently market is making a lower low. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we will be placing our marginal entry if the candle goes up, and now we are going to place just like this. Now this is a perfect marginal safety entry for put option trade. So if you're looking for a put entry trade, you have to wait for the candle to go up around the 50% area of the previous red candle, and then you can place your trades like so. What this gives you, this gives you a buffer zone. So even if the candle becomes a small green candle, your probability of winning the trade is higher. Okay, and now how beautifully this trade turned out. You see, now this is a big victory. So I was not expecting this red candle to be this big, but yes, because of my marginal safety entry, I knew that this trade is going to be a winning trade. So guys, I hope you understand what marginal safety stands for and how you can take trade with marginal safety. Marginal safety and martingale trades are two different things. And yes, I always tell my VIP members whenever I give signal, I always encourage them, and I have also pinned rules that you have to take marginal safety entry. Not because I'm providing signal, that doesn't mean that you can blindly take trades at the opening of the candle. Okay, marginal safety is required. Okay, so I hope I covered the topic marginal safety, how you can take trade with marginal safety. And with this, I'm signing out for today. And yes, you can practice this in your demo account and then switch back to your real account and start taking trade. Okay, so if you want to join my VIP, you have to create a Quotex account from my link. The link is mentioned down below. And yes, minimum deposit is only $50 for now, and send me your trader ID. Okay, you can also join my Telegram channel. The link is also mentioned down below. With this, I'm signing out for today, guys. Thank you very much, and yes, happy trading, guys.